So I have taken my Samsung fridge apart, and as you can see, there's all kinds of ice buildup. All ice buildup. Oh. So we are gonna, two things. I replaced this, but I think we have another problem happening. So what I'm going to do is try to replace the temperature sensor. So I have bought the new piece, and oh, listen to all that cracking. And let's hope it works. Here's the new piece, and we're gonna just take this off somehow, peel this back, and replace this new temperature sensor. Everybody, so I had to completely take the fan off to get at the temperature sensor. And there it is in there. So we're gonna take that off and replace it with our new one. So we are going to replace the broken thermostat reader with the new one. And we're going to put the tape back. That's it. Then we're going to close this back in place. I'm going to move that out of the way. We're going to put this back. Okay, pause. Okay, 1, 2. That's good. Okay, the fan is back in place. We're now putting the foam piece back on that was insulating the top here. And we will just put that in, and we will put this back in the fridge. This piece and this piece will attach right here. Okay. Okay, so we've now added this back on, and now I'm going to screw all the screws back in. We have them here, and let's hope that this fixed our fridge. All the screws are back into place. I've also added this piece that was there with the little screw. So now that supports this shelf. Okay, tricky part is putting this shelf back in. So you need to make sure that it lines up like that. Last time I did this, I tried to like put it underneath the rail. So that's, see that? Snaps right into place. And this also has to snap into place. Okay, and I also need to replace my filter. This is exciting. Let's see. Now I'm gonna put the drawers in, the food back in, then we'll plug the fridge back in, and let's hope this works. Okay, so I've plugged the fridge back in, and now we're getting this error code. So I'm gonna try to clear this and see what happens. All right, everybody, now it has reset. You can see our temperature of the freezer and the fridge, and everything is working perfectly.